What's that?
Glue. Elmer's glue.
Did you put muna? Borax?
Put borax
1 cup of warm water
of borax and the
and 1 teaspoon
1 teaspoon of
borax.
borax.
Yan. Then mix together.
To mix
Mix.
it together.
Mix mo.
Then put it in. Then
You can
put color if you want. I put in my
this
pants.
one. Go. Okay, mix. Is it turning?
Yeah. If it's still sticky, pour more borax and warm water. If it's slimy and sticky.
Okay. Look, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Cha-cha, have a look at that. It's slippery and slimy.
It's easy to make slime pala.
Yeah. And click the subscribe button and then click the thumbs up and click the bell.